experience. Just trying to get that in dipper. Deep square leg, was having none of it. Weak in gap, there no one at short mid, and that'll be the first feeder Oates for. And this time creams it through the offside. Back-to-back feeder Oates boundaries here for the dangerous Kunumal. Much better, but an even better shot here from Kunumal. Excellent hit. This time held his shape beautifully. Chipped over mid-on and go all the way.
It was up. The mid-off was back. And once the line was straight, you almost had a free hit to go over mid-on.
The ball is just holding up that much bit, but not this time. This time, a real half volley, a gift for Rohan Kunumal. He races on to 30 now.
Down the ground. That's a good strike again. Little more of a flat bat.
Defensive game sorted as well. But this time, his attacking game is completely sorted. Another sixer here. Once again, a floaty delivery. This time, Kunumal opts to go over mid-on. He's dealing in sixes. Racing on to 42 now, the skipper.
Was back and the mid-on was in. So he went straight mid-on and cleared the...
And this time he's showing his range. And with that sixer, the 50 for the skipper of the Globe Stars has arrived. The dugout stands up to cheer and in anticipation of more to come from the dangerous Kunumal. After 5, it's 66 for no loss.
Exquisite. This man's just showing all his repertoire. These are easy pickings for a batter. Work to do for the fielder in the deep. And that'll be another 4. Desperate dive in the outfield. But Rohan Kunumal's in his zone this afternoon.
Different methods to be successful as Rohan Kunumal hits it a long way into the stands. What a hit this is. Just loving what we are seeing today afternoon from Rohan Kunumal.
Just the way he's stood firm in the crease.
I will talk about the player, the young player that you have signed up, Monu Krishna. Last match,
like with wickets, we have to keep wickets also. So saying we got the good start now, so expecting more than 220, 200 plus runs. We have to score.
Gives it a whack. Does Rohan Kunumal on the leg side. It's going against the turn, but it doesn't matter when you make such good connection.
Absolutely in the center of that bat and a huge long 6 for Rohan Kunumal. Yes.